Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of making phone calls in WhatsApp on your PC. Whether you need to have a quick conversation or make an important call, WhatsApp has got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account and have access to your chats. Step 2. Go to Chat next. Navigate to the chat with the contact you want to call. You can find your chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Press the phone icon from the top right corner of the chat. Once you've located the chat, look for the phone icon in the top right corner. Click on it to initiate the phone call with the selected contact. Step 4. Press the red button to hang up. When you're done with the call, simply press the red button to hang up and end the conversation. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily make phone calls in WhatsApp on your PC. Stay connected with your loved ones or conduct business calls right from the comfort of your computer. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Until next time, happy calling.